Welcome to the CFD weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro strengthened against the dollar. Dropping yields on US government bonds were a major blow to the overbought dollar. On Tuesday, much higher inflation figures from the Eurozone supported the rise in momentum on the shared European currency. Last week, the British pound bottomed around the 133 level on heightened tensions between the UK and France over the migrant crisis and fisheries, but recovered on Tuesday. The Japanese yen strengthened as forex traders attempted to assess how the new South African coronavirus variant will affect global economic activity, which boosted risk-off sentiment. Falling US Treasury yields are weighing on the dollar. Overall, the US dollar index retreated, but is still above 95 points. Gold prices traded in a narrow range, around the $1,800 level. Inflation concerns are helping gold, but likely interest rate hikes next year in the US are weighing on gold. US indices dropped as fears over the new coronavirus variant prevailed, with investors concerned that global growth could be negatively impacted. Oil prices were in free fall last week after US released its strategic petroleum reserves, and fears mounted that the Omicron variant would spark fresh lockdowns and dent global oil demand, following bans of flights from countries in southern Africa. Moderna's CEO cast doubt on the efficacy of COVID-19 vaccines against the variant on Monday, spooking financial markets and adding to worries about oil demand. OPEC Plus will meet on Thursday with the option of putting on hold plans to add 400,000 barrels per day to supply in January, reportedly on the table. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.